Pharmaceutical experts believe the success of the local manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients is linked to economies of scale and access to investment capital. This formed the crux of discussions at the scientific workshop of the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists. Our correspondent, Kemi Balogun, has more on the story.
The massive population of most sub-Saharan countries remain at risk of non-access to medicines, which raises a medicine security concern. About 70 to 90% of essential medicines are imported within the sub-region, giving way to heavy dependence on imported medicines. As a result of this, experts here say there is a need to act decisively towards creating methods to open the path for local manufacturing of active pharmaceutical ingredients, especially after a pandemic, and to better prepare ahead of emerging ones.
All the APIs used by the industries in Nigeria are imported from India, China, the USA, and Germany, and large amounts of countries' scarce foreign exchange earnings are spent on importation. The availability of appropriate medicines is key for a functional health system.
We must strategically work towards developing interventions alongside partners that can work for all Africans. That is the only way we can leapfrog to get to where the Europeans and the Asians who are using similar strategies are using.
When you're coming from a developing country, you need all the support you can get, as much as possible, to be able to get the active ingredients from the research table into the pilot plant level and into the production.
Post-COVID-19 is not just being seen from the security angle. It's also seen as an art of diplomacy and also an art of development.
The government says that the workshop remains the platform to ensure that there is sustainability on discussions for local manufacturing of APIs.
So many other countries in Africa are beginning to work towards that direction, and even in Asia. What they can produce, you cannot import because it's weighing heavily on our foreign exchange reserve, and it's not good for the country.
The access to technology, knowledge, and efficient supply chain of government incentives and access to investment capital will still be part of actions needed to achieve the local manufacturing of APIs in the country and across the West African region. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.